Surprising news kakra ye there. The last time I who Edem, no I hear that I could find the wall kobo. Na minyim there no catch it there nana. Watch out. Na mereba about contest. I'm in DC another BB vibe be different or but anyway, Long John or sending me news and I'm a pedam verify because in a while I'm Ghana and they be out to me create BB Adama. It's me call Edem ne Twitter handle and I can see there or you verified it's true the Edem Originals MP. But let's say or a good news my Voltarians because Edem in particular has been very supportive to the youth our Volta side and
DJ Paco Rich.
Yes, yes. So the news we have today in there, rapper Ayigbe Edem. I say where what time of day or record joining NDC or your MP racing. Now they wear a crutch and wash and long sleeves, watching black trousers. No what happen you can run and a spectacle, yeah. And I tell why you ready. But I mean obviously Ghana say in 1 or 2 be another abo brack when you kakro do stage be the next step in there boko nekezi MP. Nekezi MP na vision in there about bosom woman. Damon oya what catch hen. But between me and you say yenyim. Oh be lie. It's surprising news kakro ye there. The last time I who Edem, no I hear that I could find the wall kobo. Na minyim there no catch it there nana. Watch out. Na mereba about contest. I'm in DC another BB vibe be different or but anyway, Long John or sending me news and I'm a pedam verify because in a while I'm Ghana and they be out to me create BB Adama. It's me call Edem ne Twitter handle. And I can see there or you verified it's true the Edem Originals MP. But let's say or a good news my Voltarians because Edem in particular has been very supportive to the youth our Volta side and with artists and people that I know what one come out been very supportive. Jonila nomina botos nomina azini is very supportive. Inti say Volta. Let's give him a chance. After all, honestly, a citizen. Inti embrace baby I wash amre or who quite about what's in a wobby. So the broffer the Ghana that's a broffer you answer. Adam broffer not to be. Now the answer soon. Inti we wish him all the best, but this is quite surprising because you wonder about politics. Now I'm encouraging Obi to their qualcast so there. Cheddar Parliament one yes. Qualcast na maswejo na Samini ono sun kejine MP one north. On our friend we taking over with the show. Na shut do. Since the also a pian coffee the one album patapa. Okay, patapa but to me I was said you baby and only quakeson co primary senior shares oborin. Atasa ambulance but to me baby western. Ofiki ata so but to me western ho baby. Pedato yansam ta kejina western region MPI na yenhwe one also biom. Abeg name musician Ghana musician ehwe MP Fata na no bonidin sa ja wajeno commercial central don kejina obeya kama ono wabubo results that was say Saturday any vote in so about that is it. So this is the great news Edem Zaba inti or you true or you fake the news on your fake or you real. Edem is contesting for MVC and congrats to him. We wish you all the best my brother. Higher Fancy YouTube subscribe a comment to Facebook or YouTube to comment. I want to get 10 about Nanya Hibia at my American. All the best. We are out of here.
DJ Paco Rich.